Hi everyone, in this video we're going through a way we can actually transfer a cumulative frequency curve, its data, its general characteristics into a box and whisker diagram. So this is the same setup from our previous questions, the 120 students from set 4, and the amount of time they spent on homework was recorded in the following tables, and we transferred this over to our cumulative frequency curve as what we've seen here. Alright? So before we prepare for our box and whisker diagram, we need to transfer the information over to our table by the side. So over here we have all our quartiles. Once again you have your Q1, your low quartile, Q2, your median, and Q3, your upper quartile. Next, we will transfer this over to a different graph. Like so, right? So we have our minimum value, which is our 0 hours. So put 0 here. And this is our lower quartile, which is 1.5 hours. And 2.3 is your median. And this is our upper quartile, which is 3 hours. Sorry, 3 hours. And last one is our 5 hours as well. Right? So let's do in our box and whiskers diagram and really understand what's happening here. So in our box and whiskers diagram, we actually have few things to state. So you need to understand that from here there are 30 students. Here is another 30 students. Here is another 30 students. And these are 30 students as well. Which means that the whole population is placed inside our box and whiskers here. And one thing to take note is that each section will represent 25% of the population. So forth, like here as well, 25%, 25% as well, so on and so forth. So each section represents 25%. And what we can say, for example here, we can say that the bottom 25%, 25% is less widespread than say the top 25%. Right? Why? Because in the bottom 25% it's only from 0 all the way to 1.5 hours, and the top 25% is 3 hours all the way to 5 hours. Right? So something for us to understand a little bit more. Of course, it's referenced in detail when we talk about comparison using our interquartile range. Right? So for now, we've learned how to transfer from a cumulative frequency curve, which is what we have originally, and into a box and whiskers diagram. Alright? That's it for now. Thank you.